Aligning goals with personal values for a meaningful life. In a world saturated with external pressures and societal expectations, it's easy to lose sight of what truly matters. We set goals based on perceived success, material wealth, or social validation, often neglecting the quiet voice of our inner selves. This misalignment can lead to a sense of emptiness, even when we achieve what we initially desired. The key to a truly fulfilling life lies in aligning our goals with our personal values, creating a compass that guides us towards purpose and authenticity. Understanding personal values. Personal values are the deeply held principles that guide our behavior and decisions. 1. They represent what we consider important, meaningful, and desirable in life. 2. These values are unique to each individual, shaped by experiences, culture, and personal beliefs. 3. Common examples include integrity, honesty, creativity, compassion, family, security, and personal growth. Identifying your core values is the first crucial step. This requires introspection and self-reflection. Ask yourself, what principles do I hold dear? What makes me feel truly fulfilled? What do I admire in others? What do I prioritize in my daily life? What would I regret not pursuing? Journaling, meditation, and conversations with trusted individuals can help clarify your values. 4. Once identified, prioritize them. Not all values hold equal weight. Some will serve as your guiding stars, while others play a supporting role. 5. The pitfalls of misaligned goals. Setting goals that contradict your values can lead to significant internal conflict. 6. Imagine someone who values authenticity but pursues a career that requires them to compromise their integrity. They might achieve financial success but experience a constant sense of unease and dissatisfaction. Similarly, someone who values family but prioritizes work above all else may find themselves regretting missed opportunities and strained relationships. Misaligned goals can result in burnout and stress. Pursuing goals that don't resonate with your values can drain your energy and motivation, leading to burnout. 7. Lack of fulfillment. Even if you achieve your goals, you may feel empty and unfulfilled if they don't align with your core principles. Compromised well-being. Ignoring your values can lead to anxiety, depression, and a general sense of unease. 8. Strained relationships. Prioritizing goals that conflict with your values can negatively impact your relationships with loved ones. 9. Loss of authenticity. You may feel like you're living a life that isn't truly yours, leading to a sense of inauthenticity. Aligning goals with values. A practical approach. Aligning your goals with your values requires a conscious and deliberate effort. Here's a practical approach. Reflect on your values. Regularly revisit and reassess your values. Life circumstances and personal growth can lead to shifts in priorities. 10. Evaluate existing goals. Analyze your current goals and determine whether they align with your values. Ask yourself, why am I pursuing this goal? Does this goal reflect what truly matters to me? Will achieving this goal contribute to a life aligned with my values? Set value-driven goals. Craft new goals that directly reflect your core values. For example, if you value creativity, set goals related to artistic expression or innovative problem solving. If you value personal growth, set goals related to learning new skills or expanding your knowledge. Break down goals into actionable steps. Divide your goals into smaller, manageable steps, ensuring that each step aligns with your values. Monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor your progress and adjust your goals as needed. Life is dynamic, and your values and priorities may evolve. Embrace flexibility. Be open to changing your goals if they no longer align with your values. It's okay to pivot and pursue a different path. Practice mindfulness. Cultivate self-awareness through mindfulness practices like meditation and journaling. 11. This will help you stay connected to your values and make conscious choices. Seek support. Surround yourself with people who share your values and support your journey. Live authentically. Be true to yourself and your values, even when it's challenging. Authenticity is the cornerstone of a meaningful life. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. 12. This reinforces your commitment to living a value-driven life. The benefits of alignment. Living a life aligned with your values brings numerous benefits. Increased fulfillment and purpose. You'll experience a deeper sense of meaning and purpose in your life. Enhanced motivation and energy. Your goals will fuel your passion and drive, leading to increased motivation and energy. 13. Improved well-being. You'll experience greater emotional and mental well-being. Stronger relationships. Your relationships will be more authentic and fulfilling. Greater resilience. You'll be better equipped to handle challenges and setbacks. Increased authenticity. You'll live a life that is true to yourself. Clearer decision making. Values act as a filter, making choices easier. 14. In conclusion, aligning your goals with your personal values is not a luxury but a necessity for a truly fulfilling and meaningful life. It's about creating a compass within, guiding you towards a path that resonates with your authentic self. By embracing self-reflection, setting value-driven goals, and living authentically, you can unlock a life of purpose, joy, and lasting satisfaction.